Waste board scrap PCB board recycling line. Scrap PCB board. Shredder crusher machine. It combines shredding and crushing to process PCB boards into small pieces, facilitating the separation of plastic and metal later on. Grinding machine. The PCB board flakes from the crusher are ground into a mixture of metal and resin powders by a mill. Airflow separator. The wires are mainly soldered according to the different densities and aerodynamic characteristics of the materials, and the purity can reach more than 99.5%. Copper particles front exit. A mixture of metal and resin powders back exit. Electrostatic separator. After the electrostatic separator, the metal and plastic are separated. Metal front exit. Resin powder back exit.